payo ni tatay. Sikap at Ang payo ni tatay, sikap at tiyaga, at maaabot mo ang nais mo makamtan sa iyong hinaharap. Ang tanging pamana ng isang magsasakang ama sa 7 niyang anak. Dahil sa pagsisikap, marami ang nakapagtapos. Ngunit, yung iba, kailangan mag-ibang bansa. Yung iba, naghanap ng magandang trabaho. At ang iba, makapagserbisyo. Ngunit kahit sa ang lubaot ng mundo, kahit anong hirap ang hinaharap, wala mga asyendang malaki. Lupaing magana sa saka. Iisa lang ang laging baon. Pamana ni tatay, naabot ng ilang siglo mula sa mga anak hanggang sa mga apo sa tugon.
Happy birthday, Lolo! God bless Paul. Love you!
Happy 80th birthday, Tatay. More birthdays and blessings pa po at good health palagi. We love you and we miss you.
Tay, happy birthday. Naway sapitin pa kayo ng maraming birthday at magandang kalusugan at pagpalain pa ng poong may kapal. Mag-iingat kayo palagi dyan at huwag magpapagod at magpapainit. Naging alalahanin ng kalusugan. We love you and we miss you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lolo. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Tatay! Happy birthday! Happy 80th birthday! Sapitin pa kayo ng maraming makarawan and maayos na kalusugan.
Tatay, happy birthday. Sana'y marami pang birthday ang masiselebrate nyo. Ingat kayo lagi. We love you.
Happy birthday. Hope you have a great 80th birthday.
Aaron, say happy birthday to Lolo.
Happy birthday.
Oh, let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lolo. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Tatay, happy 80th birthday. At sapitin pa kayo ng maraming birthday. Dalangin ko ang inyong kalusugan na sana sa araw-araw ay palagi kayong malakas at laging ligtas sa anumang karamdaman. So me and Sarah greeting you happy 80th birthday. Sorry tayo, hindi ako makakonsentrate. But anyways, happy 80th birthday. And also to Inay, belated happy birthday. We love you.
Hi Lolo, Maligayan Karawan. Have a wonderful birthday. Take care and all the best. Hope you have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Lolo. I hope you have a great birthday and all the best too.